can't stop having this dal jeera. Dan, dan, dan. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Hi Urushi, good evening. Welcome to Jiran. So nice to see you at Jiran. It's our signature restaurant at the hotel. It means lost love in Persian.
Yes, I know that.
We've got Peter who's going to make us a nice shikanji for the evening.
Oh,
That's also our
nice.
signature drink that we have at the restaurant. So while we have the shikanji, I just want to know what do you like drinking usually?
Well, I don't drink alcohol,
Okay.
so I love anything what is healthy. Like shikanji is one such thing which is really healthy, especially when it's made with mint and lemon. So this is something which completely energizes you, and I love it.
And owing to the weather currently, it's the best thing.
So let's get started.
Yeah, Peter, please. So that's a mint foam that he does on top. That's basically just to tantalize your taste buds that it's just
Oh,
a
that's
foam
lovely.
Very unique.
Wow, that's so cool. I've never seen that.
So ours has a bit of a hint of rose, which you'll feel.
Rose petal.
A rose for a rose. So
So,
cheers.
cheers.
God bless.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Wow, that's really tasty, yummy.
Thank you.
Love it.
Quite refreshing.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Peter. So yeah, this was just the beginning. It was just the start of the evening. We're going to go in and have some nice dinner with Chef Shadab Qureshi.
Okay.
Please let me take you there
Wow,
and
I can't
you
wait
can
for
enjoy
it.
Please. So you enjoyed the drink?
Oh, I love the drink.
I want to know what kind of Indian food you love. You like any favorites in Indian cuisine that you like?
Yeah, of course. I mean, when it comes to starters, I like to have something which is really healthy, and I love yogurt. I love curd.
Okay.
So something related to dahi, like dahi ke kebab maybe. Something like really different and something like really unique.
We have something to surprise you as well. And I'll leave the rest to the chef because you're going to be really, really happy. It's
Can't
going to
wait
be
for the
great.
food.
Perfect.
Can't wait
Likewise.
for my starters.
Likewise.
Really hungry.
Yeah, we have Chef Shadab Qureshi who's going to join us now and bring on his magic with his food. And like I told you, a small surprise for you.
Shadab Qureshi.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
So actually his whole family, his whole lineage has been into cooking. I think
कहाँ से हैं आप?
Basically, I'm from Lucknow.
जी देखिए मैं लखनऊ पहले आ रखी हूँ और मुझे वहाँ के कबाब्स वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे भी लगते हैं. बट आई लव दही. तो क्या आप मुझे दही के कबाब बना के दिखा सकते
Suppose I'm
इनफैक्ट मैंने इनको सरप्राइज बोला था. उन्होंने बोला दही पसंद है. मैंने बोला यू हैव टू ट्राई. शेफ कुछ सरप्राइज रखे आपके लिए. चलो अभी बोल दिया तो अभी लेके आ जाएंगे एंड
हैं? Can't wait to have dahi kebab. Thank you so much. Oh wow. Looks yum.
This is dahi ki kebab.
That's nice.
This is anar badam ke aloo.
Okay.
We are serving as a mushroom galoti.
So there's actually a story behind galoti kebab.
Gilawat kebab is मीन्स गला हुआ, माउथ मेल्टिंग. बिकॉज क्या होता था कि जो लखनऊ के नवाब थे, जब वो बूढ़े हो गए थे, दांत उनके थे थी. अब वो मीट कितने शौकीन थे, तो उनको खाना तो मीट ही है. तो अब क्या किया जाए? तो उन्होंने अपने खानसामे से कहा कि मुझे कुछ ऐसे कबाब चाहिए जो मुझे आसानी से मैं चबा सकूं और उसको खा सकूं.
Oh, okay.
तो उनके खानसामाओं ने फिर इस गलौटी कबाब को ईजाद किया.
Okay.
गलौटी में गला जो उसको रखते ही मुंह में मेल्ट रहता था. तो ये मशरूम जो आप खा रहे हैं वो मशरूम गलौटी है.
So have you ever cooked? I would like to know what you do.
I do.
You do?
I'll yeah. Generally, because of my busy schedule, I cannot cook much. But I started cooking at a really early age. So that time I used to cook home-cooked food, like rice, dal makhni,
What we all
and vegetable. Something like bangan ka bharta, something like that.
I hope you're liking the food.
I'm loving it.
Thank you. I think Chef Shadab wants to take you into the kitchen today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're going to be part of Sofitel for a few minutes and we're going to let you experience real-time cooking with the chef and I'm sure it's going to be a fabulous experience for all of us. So.
Cool. Thank you.
Chef Urvashi, you're going to make your own anar badam aloo. There we are in the kitchen finally with Chef Shadab.
ये आपने आलू डाल दिए.
Yes.
10 मिनट के बाद ये आलू कुक हो गए वापस.
Oh, wow. Dun, dun, dun.
So Chef Urvashi.
Yeah,
how is the
Master
experience?
Chef Urvashi.
Master Chef Urvashi. How's the experience with Chef Shadab in
Well, the
kitchen?
experience was really nice. This is the very first time I cooked in a hotel kitchen.
Anytime you feel like cooking, we're more than happy to welcome you back at the
Yes,
hotel.
of
and
course. Next time I'll come
dining,
with my
of course.
family.
Yes, so lovely. We've got some nice main course now that's following up, and from Chef's Kitchen.
सरसों का साग
Sarson da
is a
saag.
leafy vegetable.
This
How
is
do you
so
like the
yum.
flavor?
I can't.
It's lovely.
I'm loving the flavor.
कोफ्ता सब्ज बहार is made of the mixed vegetable stuffed with the cheese.
So when you travel, what do you do? Busy schedule? Do you miss Indian food or?
Yes, I do miss Indian food. Like if I'm going for a really long time, like 30 days at a stretch,
Oh, yeah.
कहीं भी आप चले जाओ.
Delhi,
like,
Hindustan.
Be it you eat Japanese, Chinese, or Italian, Mexican food, but दिल है हिंदुस्तानी जैसे आपने कहा. Indian food की तो बात ही कुछ और है. अब ये आ गया है
Is a
हमारा.
paneer dum anari. Is a stuffed paneer
Okay.
stuffed with cheese and pomegranate and gravy made of the beetroot and pomegranate juice.
Oh wow.
So usually when you have friends over, do you cook meals for them? How do you?
Yes, you know, since childhood, when I was like in second or third standard, I started making French fries. I used to just like cut potatoes in a perfect shape and then used to put them in the oil, and then when it used to come out, I like decorate it, like in a master chef way, and make it very presentable. Like we can have all our French fries while playing a game or watching any movies. So yeah, I used to do all of that.
Wow, that's nice to know. In fact, the basics are always the best.
Yeah.
How we believe. Oh, and that's a all-time special.
Is a signature of the restaurant, dal jiran.
There is something special about it. I can't stop having this dal jiran.
Join the gang.
थैंक यू शेफ. कि अभी ऑन कैमरा में ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकती हूँ. आप ऐसा करो ये पूरा खाना मेरे लिए पैक कर दो.
Of course.
Done. Done.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Extra dal for you.
Thank you so much for today. It was so great and it was my pleasure to be here at the Sofitel Jiran.
The pleasure is ours, and thank you for being with us, and really great experience for us as well.
Thank you so much. Bye guys.